What if I told you that you don't need a complicated workout plan, expensive equipment, or hours in the gym to transform your body and your life? In fact, just 3 exercises can fix most posture problems, improve strength, boost stamina, and make your body perform better every single day. These are the movements that target the muscles you actually use: walking, lifting, sitting, running, and even breathing. If you stay consistent with these, you'll notice better energy, less pain, and a stronger, more confident body. Let's get straight into it. Exercise 1. Squats. The first exercise is the king of all movements, the squat. Squats train your legs, glutes, core, and even your lower back. They improve balance, mobility, and overall strength. Most daily activities, sitting, standing, climbing stairs, depend on squat movement patterns. Here's how to do it right. Stand shoulder width apart, chest up, back straight. Push your hips back and bend your knees as if sitting on a chair. Go down slowly, then push back up through your heels. Start with body weight. Once comfortable, add resistance. Benefits: stronger legs and glutes, better posture, improved knee and hip stability, higher calorie burn. Squats alone can transform your lower body strength and fix many weakness-related problems. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Second exercise, push-ups. This single movement builds your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core at the same time. It also improves upper body endurance and stability. Most people think push-ups are just for arms, but they train your entire upper body and even strengthen your core muscles. How to perform: hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Lower slowly, chest toward the ground. Push back up while keeping your core tight. If regular push-ups are hard, start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Benefits: builds upper body strength, improves shoulder stability, enhances core control, helps with posture and daily pushing movements. Push-ups fix weakness that causes shoulder pain and poor upper body posture. Exercise 3. Plank. The third and most underrated exercise, the plank. If your core is weak, everything suffers: your posture, balance, strength, and even breathing efficiency. Planks train deep core muscles that protect your spine and improve performance in every physical activity. How to do it: place forearms on the ground. Keep your body straight, no sagging hips. Tighten your core and hold. Start with 20-30 seconds and increase gradually. Benefits: stronger core and abs, reduced lower back pain, better posture, improved athletic performance. A strong core connects your upper and lower body, and plank is one of the fastest ways to build it. These 3 exercises work because they are compound movements. That means they train multiple muscles at the same time, just like real-life movements. Instead of isolating one muscle, they train your body as a system. Squats, lower body power; push-ups, upper body strength; plank, core stability. Together, they cover almost every major muscle group. This is why many trainers say, if you only had time for 3 exercises, these would be enough to stay strong, fit, and functional. Here's a beginner routine you can start today. 3 rounds, 15 squats, 10 push-ups, 30-second plank rest, 60 seconds between rounds. Do this 4 to 5 days a week, and you'll start noticing changes in just a few weeks. Better energy, strength, and body control. Consistency beats complexity every time. Remember, your body doesn't need perfection. It needs movement. Most people fail not because workouts don't work, but because they try complicated plans and quit. Keep it simple. Stay consistent. Trust the process. These 3 exercises won't just change how you look. They'll change how you feel, move, and live. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, powerful fitness content that actually works. Comment below. Which exercise will you start today? Squats, push-ups, or plank? And remember, you don't need the perfect gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need discipline and the decision to start. See you in the next video.